This is SR Money Investment. Today we are connected quickly to discuss the main question which everybody is asking. Has the market bottomed? I'm going to share some facts today, and I will let you guys decide based on the facts that what exactly is going to happen, and is it like something makes sense that people can consider the market is already bottomed. So let's start with S&P 500. S&P 500 is almost on the 52-week low. It's just crossed the bottom, the support level of 3500 on last Friday. It's almost 27.6% down since year to date. Look like that we are almost reaching the critical level for S&P 500. I think it's probably gonna be a bounce soon if it is already not bottomed, and then it's gonna go up from here on. It could be a bear market rally, but I think it's due now because since so many days continuously we are going down and down. Let's come to quickly to the Nasdaq. Nasdaq, same like S&P, is even more than that. It's 37.45% down since year to date. It's just cross and breach the major support of 200 SMA. That is not looking good. But if since the earning season is going to be about to start next week, and if the earning for the Q3, as like majority of the analysts are expecting that it's not going to be bad, uh, I think there is a time for a rebound, or there is a time for the at least bear market rally, because again, just like S&P, it's coming down for the last so many days continuously. It's due for the rally. It could be a bottom. It could be like the bottom has already arrived, and maybe it's gonna bounce back and go up. But if not, definitely at least it's due for the small quick rally. Maybe you can call it as a bear market rally, but it's due now. Same for the New York. It's also down almost 23.62%. Dow is almost down 22% from the year to date. So things are not looking good till now for this year 2022. But I think this is the early season is about to start, and that's gonna shape up the rest of the 2022. I'm not really concerned for the earning, because Q3 is probably not going to be bad for earning. But what is going to be a driving factor is how they are going to project for the rest of the year. The guidance is going to be very, very important. One of the thing which is basically supporting the bull family is VIX, the volatility index. The volatile, not the VIX, sorry, the 10 years yield. There, that is something basically the bull believe that it's almost touching the all-time high to 4%, and now it's time to come back, because 4% is something which never achieved its all-time high. But one thing which is supported by bears argument, that is VIX, because VIX is not very high. It's 32 at the moment, and lot of people believe that if the VIX, the volatility index, is gonna reach out somewhere around 35 to 40, that is something where the turnaround for the market is going to happen, and that is something where basically everybody is going to start believing that we touched the bottom. So the 10-year yield is supporting the bull arguments, the VIX, the volatility index is supporting the bear argument. Let's see how it's going to happen, but I think it's, if we are not bottom, we are definitely very close to the bottom. So things are not looking good at the moment, but it can turn around anytime. This is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own research always, but I don't think this is the time to keep away from the market. This is the time to take some position in the market, and the stocks you believe in, the stocks you think that is gonna go up, and the stocks which basically gonna give you the details on paper and in practical, that okay, this stock has the potential to go up, just not by the sentiment. Tesla is something basically which is almost a 52 weeks low. We all know that this company has the growth, this company has the potential, this is gonna go up. This is almost touching the very important support of 207 that was being touched before in May, and then in June, and now in October. And before that, it was long time back, somewhere in July 21. So this is the very critical level. Uh, on top of that, the Tesla's earning is gonna be on Wednesday, I guess. Let's see the calendar. Yeah, the Tesla earning is on October 17, not October 17. Basically, it's on the Wednesday, and what date on Wednesday is October 19. So October 19 after close is going to be a very major earning of Tesla that's going to define the market behavior, and I believe that it's going to be one of the strong earning. They are going to put very strong numbers. They are going to release very strong numbers for the growth, for the deliveries, and for everything. But one of the thing which I already mentioned, that I'm not concerned for the earning. I'm concerned of their guidance. So let's see that what is going to be their guidance for the Q4. Same for the Neo. Neo is basically, my chart is taking time to upload. Neo is already making a triple bottom. That is also on a very very critical, uh, uh, like uh, uh, critical point. That is 12:15, and I believe, like I have mentioned in my previous videos as well, that there is a high probability that it's gonna go up from there. It's almost shaping up a bull pattern in triple bottom, and there is a high probability it will go up. This company has a lot of growth, and a lot of potential available, and they have enough cash in hand. They are doing a very good amount of time and expertise for R&D. They are going in different fields. They are adding different markets. Their ET5 deliveries has already started. Their new park production is already started. So there's a lot of things to talk about for the Neo, and definitely we will be in touch and we will be talking about that. But Neo and Tesla, these are the two companies which I'm looking forward for this week. Especially this week is going to be important for the EV sector because of the Tesla, and Tesla is something basically always have effect on other EVs. So let's find out, finger crossed, and how these stocks are going to perform. uh, China is one of the biggest market for all the EV brands. They are already having their elections soon, and their conference is right now going on, and different news are coming up. Seems like China is still not doing any compromise on the zero COVID policy, which is, I think, is one of the biggest factor of not going in a favor of these stocks. If they compromise or they adjust their zero COVID policy, I think that is one of the factor which can increase the probability of these stocks going up. So let's see like how this is gonna shape up. But like, yeah, finger crossed for this week, and see you guys. And please do subscribe to this channel. This is the new channel, and we need to grow as a family. And do like this video. Thank you very much.